It's Tuesday and we are back with our pups, and today we're going to be making a picture and we're going to show how we can turn our play into something on a piece of paper. Okay, I've got some pens with me here today and I'm going to start by looking at this point in our story where the four pups had to go to the mountains to rescue the snow leopard, and Everest was going to join them. So we're looking at showing 1, 2, 3, 4 plus, remember we're adding one more in, plus, we're using these two symbols, one more, okay? And we're going to find out what that equals. Okay, now, so I've got my pups here. I'm going to use my pens and I'm going to do a very simple picture, okay? Very, very simple. I'm just going to use, I'm going to do the vehicles. Now, I'll start with Ryder. So, Ryder has a bit of red and a bit of blue. Okay. So here's his vehicle. Okay. All right. Now I'm going to do Marshall. You can do any picture you want. You can just do dots if you want to, if you've got colours. Some way. He's got that hat, hasn't he? Chase, there's Chase. Oh, sorry, Chase, nearly knocked you over. He's got a blue hat. And Rubble at the Rubble there as well. Rubble's is a bit like a square one, isn't it, with the wheels, and he's got his digger there. Okay, and you see I've got the colours to match. That helps me. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, and we're adding Everest. And I've got this blue. This is the closest I could find to Everest's blue. She's got like a wheel thing like this. Your drawings might be really creative. I've given her an ear. There we go. All right. Okay, so, and there's my drawing. Okay, so I've got 1, 2, 3, 4. Add 1. I wonder if you know what that makes. Where's my 4? Here's my 4. And I'm going to add 1. What is that the same as? What is that same as? What does that equal? 4 add 1. Can you see? You got it. It's the same as a 5, isn't it? 4 add 1 is the same as 5, or it equals 5. 4 add 1 is the same as 5. Okay, fantastic. Okay, right. I'm going to show you another picture now, because we need to show how to subtract. So, take these pups out of the way. Now, Everest was in the mountain and she had to help. There was a problem. So I'm going to try and show this problem on a piece of paper. I'm going to take my play and try and show it on my piece of paper. So this time we're not adding anymore, because what did Everest have to do? She had to, that's right, she had to take away. She had to take away some of the boulders, didn't she, to help? And we also call that subtract. Okay, it's just got the single line there. So, right, do you remember you had this voice and she said, oh, how am I going to get out? So Everest came along, and let's count them to start with. Put them in a line, help us count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So let's draw those first. I'm going to use a grey here. 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Remember, we're learning to subtract. Now, to show subtract, we're not adding anything in anymore, so it's a bit more tricky. We're not putting anything in, we're taking it away. That's good. So I'm just going to put a little cross against the ones that Everest took away. Can you remember what Everest did? She came in here, she went shh, 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 and oh, she stayed in her truck. That's right, she took away 2. Oh, thank you, I can get out now. So to show that, I'm just going to cross out 2 of my boulders like this. That's how I'm going to show it on my picture, okay? So I had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and Everest took away 2. All right, now if I show you with the Numicon, 5, and Everest came along and she took away 2. So if I cover up this Numicon with the 2, can you see what's left? That's right, 3. Good. I could also do it just by covering up my hand. Look, 5, 1, 2, cover up the 2. Can you see what's left? 3, just like here. Fantastic. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Take away 2. Get or subtract. You can use take away if you want to as well. Take away 2 gives us 1, 2, 3. And if you're feeling brave, you could have a go at writing that number. Equals around the tree, around the tree. That's the way we make a 3, okay? Have a go at that reception. So I've shown you 2 there.